3.
Once upon a time, there's a squirrel. And there was a friend named Anna, but she wasn't a friend of the squirrels. So she walked. And then there's a tweeting bird that always goes tweet. And the squirrel and the bird said, I'm flying north with his wings. Then the squirrel, he was walking on the zip line, and then there was a storm. And then it blowed the whole thing. Then the storm went off. Then the squirrel went flying with a cut all the way through. And then there are trees. Then this is where he wanted to be, in the West Mountains. No, the West Mountains always have